Hold on, she has to get her spoon still.
That's fine. I started before she got her spoon. We're gonna get it from the beginning now.
I have to use her spoon. So far, I am the cinnamon challenge winner. Me, the white girl.
We're gonna do more than you though.
Me, the white girl, the winner so far.
We're gonna do a tablespoon and a teaspoon.
It really dried up my throat. I couldn't
Oh, you
swallow.
did?
You can dry it off. I'm not gonna be able to do this.
Go.
Alright, Rachel, your phone. You didn't get it the last one, you can do it this one too.
Yeah, knock me sit down.
Where's Rachel's phone?
I just gave it to her, didn't I?
No. No. There. I'm gonna start recording now.
Kaylee, what happened?
I can't get it out. We'll clean it up. Okay, this. You can do it, Cherokee. What you say?
Give up.
She's
She's choking.
We know.
Keep coughing and keep chewing. Keep chewing, keep chewing. Keep chewing. You can do that.
Can't swallow yet.
Don't you dare.
Oh God.
Come on,
Give
Cherokee. Come on. Don't give up. That's what people want you to do. Don't do it! Don't do it!
If you really
Don't do it!
Cherokee,
Don't
if you
do
really
it,
have to,
Cherokee.
just go ahead.
Let me zoom in on this. Give up. Or they couldn't do the whole thing. You did a teaspoon.